Welcome back, Windows enthusiasts. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from adding widgets to your Windows 11 desktop and customizing them to removing or rearranging them as per your preference. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, you'll find this guide invaluable. But before we jump into the tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech-related videos. The standard way to add widgets in Windows 11 is through the Widgets panel. Here's how to start taking advantage of Windows 11 widgets. Press the Window key plus W to open the Widgets panel. Select plus at the top of the Widgets panel. Select the plus sign beside the widgets you want to add. The widgets you selected will appear in the Widgets panel. Select a widget's title to open the source app or website. Removing widgets in Windows 11 is just as straightforward as adding them to the panel. Press the Window key plus W to open the Widgets panel. Select the three dots in the upper right corner of the widget. Select Unpin Widget. Thank you for joining us on this Windows 11 journey. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay updated with more exciting tech content, please consider subscribing to our channel.